In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable chat on Microsoft Teams, a feature that can significantly enhance your team's communication and collaboration. Whether you're using Teams for business, education, or personal projects, getting the chat function up and running can streamline your interactions and ensure everyone stays connected. To start, make sure you're logged into Microsoft Teams with the appropriate credentials. If you're not already familiar with how to do this, you'll want to use your work or school account details to access the platform. Once logged in, you'll land on the Teams interface, which is a hub for all your teamwork needs, including chat, collaboration, and file sharing. Next, take a look at the left-hand sidebar of the Teams window. Here, you'll see several icons lined up vertically. The chat icon usually looks like a small speech bubble and is typically second from the top. Clicking on it will take you to the chat section of the app. This area is where you can view all your current and previous conversations. If you're not seeing the chat icon, it may be because your organization or system administrator has customized this view, in which case you should reach out to them for further assistance. Once you're inside the chat area, starting a new conversation is straightforward. At the top of the chat window, there's a field that says New Chat. Click on this to begin setting up a new conversation. You'll notice a space to enter the name or email of the person you want to chat with. Here, you can type the name of a colleague, team member, or anyone linked through your organization's network. If the person's name pops up as you type, that's confirmation they're available, and you can click on it to proceed. Now that you've selected your chat participant, you can click into the Type a New Message box at the bottom of the chat window. This is where you write your message. Typing and sending works just as it does in an instant messaging app. Simply type your message and hit enter or click the send icon to deliver it promptly. Don't forget, you can also attach files, add emojis, or even use GIFs to make your communications lively and engaging. These extra features can usually be found right next to the message input field. Just to make sure everything's functioning properly, try sending a quick message and see if you receive a reply. If the chat and communication flows seamlessly, congratulations, you've enabled chat and are ready to begin collaborating efficiently with your team. Keep in mind that chat history is saved, allowing you to revisit past conversations whenever needed. By mastering these steps, you're well on your way to maximizing the potential of Microsoft Teams, keeping every conversation just a few clicks away.